Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create dual apps on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. So this is going to be specific to the Samsung model and certain Android phones as well. In order to do that, first thing is make sure you download the app from the Play Store if you haven't already installed it. I already have it installed, but go ahead and install it first. Now, after you do that, the next thing you're going to do is make your way over to the Settings app. And now from the Settings app here, you're going to scroll down until you can find basically advanced features. And in the advanced feature section, we're going to scroll down a little bit further and there is an option for dual messenger. So you can see here you can sign into a second account on your favorite social media app. So what the thing about this is, if you see here, I have a couple apps that I downloaded that I could create a dual app for. For example, if I wanted to create a second Facebook app, I can simply tap on it, click on install, and it's going to install a second copy as well. Same thing for WhatsApp, Messenger as well. All of these apps, these are the ones that are downloaded. So if you don't see it, you might have not downloaded. So make sure you download it. And the second thing is, not all apps can have a dual messenger. Certain apps allow that, certain don't. So if it's not supported, of course, it's not going to show up. Now, as you can see, after you do that, you go to basically look for it. It's going to have an indicator here. For example, this is the original app here. But if you see, let's go ahead into our last page here. These ones are, as you can see here, are dual app. They'll have an icon next to it to indicate it. So Facebook here, if I open it up, it is a dual app here and I can sign in to it versus having already signed into another Facebook app here. So I can look at this Facebook app that I have the light version, and then I can also look at this one. As you can see, I'm signed into another account there. So that will allow you to kind of do it. Again, like I said, not all apps are supported, but most of the popular apps are supported, and you can use this method to create dual apps. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.